Hi everyone, this is Cage Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ng reaction video. Itong mga kulitan ng Barda for today's video. Mga luma muna yung gagawa natin ng reaction video ngayon dito sa Facebook, okay? Kasi hindi natin to nakuha, hindi natin to what do you call this? Hindi natin to na utilize, should I say. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay. Ano si David? Maging sino ka man. Maging sino ka man pala ito. Akala ko naman pulang araw.
Bakit nag-gym ka pa?
Aaminin ko, hindi po naging maganda ang relasyon natin dalawa. Pero nanay kita at mahal na mahal kita. Please, believe me one more time, Monique.
Ay. Anyways, what's next? Ang daming video dito, in fairness. Ay, Barda kulitan. Barda interview 2024. Ay. Ganun pa talaga dapat, ma'am.
Di ba nang-aasar na rin siya?
Di ba nang-aasar na rin siya? Di ba nang-aasar na rin siya for today's video?
Anytime.
Okay!
Tol! Tayo, tol! Drop a pics! Drop a pics!
Di ba nang-aasar na rin siya?
Okay.
Hindi mo naman ako kausapin. Anytime.
Anytime. May diin ha. Mga pang-diinan mo Ginoo ha. Sa totoo lang. Anyways, ang dami. Ay, ito. Ito yung hindi natin nakita. Hala, ang dami pala talaga. Ay, atake. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Atake siya, oh. Uy, hindi ko ito napanood. Saan ito makikita ang interview na to? Yung walang yung walang background music. Iba talaga yung tawa. Yung tawa niya talaga, gumaganon talaga siya. No? Gumaganon talaga siya sa mga tawa niya. In fairness to him. Okay. It's where a love will truly be. Just wonderful smile in your heart. Okay. When the night comes, David. Ay, tapos na yun? Saan kaya makikita yung kulitan nila na yun? Gusto ko pa naman makita ang kulitan nila yun. Okay, anyways, puntahan natin yung Barda Sweet Moments. Sige nga. Tingnan natin yung mga Barda Sweet Moments. Ay, ito. Ano to? Ay, ang titig. Bakit iniba kasi yung boses? Nakakainis. Grabe si TV. Grabe si Barbie tumingin. Grabe. Parang angkin na angkin. Chares. Parang inaangkin talaga. Sayang sana raw ang video, no? Anyways.
Live by the saying, how you start your day is how you live your day. So if I wanna be productive during the day and be able to reach my goals, like I really have to do my morning routine before anything else. Live by the saying, how you start your day is how you live your day. So if I wanna be productive during the day and be able to reach my goals, like I really have to do my morning routine before before anything else.
Before
Live by
anything
the
else,
saying, how you
okay.
start your day.
Ito ang kainin mo
Ay.
At
Ano
dahil
yung
cater
kakainin natin for today's video? Charis. Ay, oh, loko. Nothing's gonna change my life for you. Ay. Hindi sila mahilig sa holding hands. Mahilig sila sa bewangan. Kung napapansin ninyo. Ay, happy talaga ang David natin for today's video. Uy, happy talaga siya. Iba talaga yung charisma ni David New Likaw ko for today's video. Masaya talaga siya actually. Ay, asa na yun? Nawala na tayo. Sorry, nawala ako. Nawala tayo. Dami ko kasing chismis eh. Ay, ito. Ito, yung dino. Tingnan nga natin to. Ay. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay. Charis. Gusto ko makita yung, ay, mamaya yan sa akin. Okay. Falling. Okay. Si Dino and Cardi. May lambing ang mata niya. Kiss. Charis. Bakit naman pinagkikiss ang Barda? Ay. Deep is your love. Ay, mahal na mahal. Mahal na mahal. Mas pa mas natuhanan yung pagkakasabi ng mahal na mahal. Kamusta yung paa mo? Concern. Ay, ang galing pala manilip ni Ginoo. Sana all sinisilip ni David, no? Sa totoo lang. Barda moments. Oh, how can you deny that fact? Ay, ano to? Ay, ano yan? Bakit yan yung mga lumalabas, mi? Chares. Ito yung family feud. Diyos ko, kanina pa nawala tayo dito. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Diba?
Let's go. I
Bewang
wake up to a little
atake.
bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm
Priceless
tired
talaga
of
ang
shit,
sinay
and
na
the
ginawa
coffee ain't
kasama
hit
si
yet. Damn, ain't that great.
Barbie.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that
Ito yung
paid.
on-screen, I consider
I
this
need a
as
change
BTS
in my
na,
life
diba?
cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams.
Ang mag-asawa.
We all want things.
Ladies and gentlemen, ang
What you gonna
mag-asawa
do for? How you
hindi mo
gonna move
kaya.
for? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do it?
Ay, happy talaga sila. Nakakamiss ang Barda in fairness. Ay, eto wag na to. Ay, ito. Dagdagan pa ng background music, no? Charis! Ay, anyways, overtime na tayo dito. Ay, hindi tuloy natin to. What if I never found you? Feeling. Panoodin muna natin yan. Bukas may live ako, ha? May live tayo bukas. Okay. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Live tayo. Tingnan mo yung titig ni Barbie. Tingnan nyo ang titig ni Barbie for today's video. Hindi nyo kaya. My destiny. Charis. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Yeah. Ay. Barbie, baka naman magkaroon ka ng seat neck dyan. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Overboard a compilation. This is Kijibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!